Here is how to fix your Facebook page if it's not showing up or giving you errors in 2025. First and foremost, go ahead, check your internet. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or you're using the mobile data. Try switching to a different network if needed, and then refresh the page. On a computer browser, you can press F5 or click the refresh button, and on Facebook app, you can simply go ahead, close it from your background, and reopen it on your device. Now try clearing the app's cache and cookies. For that, tap and hold onto the Facebook application, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down, go to storage, and click on clear cache. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And on iPhone, you can offload or simply delete and then reinstall the app to clear the cache. Now, also check the page permissions. Only admins can see the pages that aren't published. Go to Settings and Privacy and then go to Settings. From here, scroll down, tap on Page Setup, go to Page Access, and then add a new member. Give them access or remove the old one. Make sure that your account is listed as an admin, and also check the page status. Facebook might temporarily block pages for policy violations, so you need to go ahead and check the page quality, fix any violations or restrictions, and also update the Facebook application and browser through the App Store or Play Store. Always use the newest version to avoid any issues. And see if your page works on another phone, tablet, or computer. Sometimes the issue is only on one device. So disable VPN or ad blockers, as this can sometimes interfere with Facebook. Turn them off and try again. So that's how you fix the Facebook page not showing error in 2025. Follow the steps and your page should appear normally again. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.